Unleash the power. Understanding jump smash in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, jump smash. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a language learner, or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in and smash any confusion you might have about this phrase. The phrase, jump smash, is made up of two words, jump, which means to spring off the ground or another surface through the air, and smash, which means to hit or attack something with a lot of force. When combined, these words create a term used predominantly in badminton and tennis to describe a powerful overhead shot. The term, jump smash, originated from racket sports, where players leap off the ground to reach a high shuttlecock or ball and then hit it downwards into the opponent's court with great speed and force. It's a move that combines agility, strength, and precision. Let's see how to use jump smash in a sentence to make its usage clear. In badminton, Lin Dan is known for his explosive jump smash, which often leaves his opponents scrambling. She executed a perfect jump smash, securing the championship point. Understanding such terms is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about getting insights into the sport itself. A jump smash is often a winning shot in badminton and tennis because it's difficult to defend against due to its speed and angle. Learning about it is essential for any sports fan or English language learner interested in sports terminology. Now, let's break down the jump smash visually. 1. The player prepares by bending their knees, ready to jump. 2. They leap up, timing their jump to meet the shuttlecock or ball at the highest point possible. 3. With a swift and strong arm movement, they hit the ball downwards into the opponent's court. 4. The move ends with the player landing back on the court and getting ready for the next play. This sequence is important as it combines the definition and the physical action that constitutes a jump smash. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a jump smash is and why it's a showstopper in racket sports. Remember, learning a language goes beyond words. It's about embracing the culture and the context in which terms are used. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be smashing your language goals. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.